So hello everyone. While I'm waiting my zipper, I practice my skill of digital pattern making. It's my third day today, and I wanted to do this before, but I don't have courage to do it. I thought it will cost me. I don't want to spend money for like that thing when I can just do manually. But yeah, I found out that I can actually get the free software to pattern making. So if you are interested, you can ask me. If you don't know where to start, you can ask me. I'm not expert, but I will share with you with my knowledge or my actual experience. Uh so uh, so yeah, I'll let's take a peek. So I'm using Chromebook, and Chromebook doesn't have a window, but it has Linux to operate the system. And simulate today, and this is the pattern that I'm working right now. This is gonna be my next sewing project.